You can edit this kind of video under 1 minute using your smartphone with Capcut editing application. Without wasting much of your time, let's go to the screen to show you how you can edit. Like I said earlier, this is the simplest video editing you can achieve with your Capcut editing application. Once you get to this very place, head over to this new project, click it for me. It will take you to your gallery. Scroll down to the video that you want to work on. You choose the video, click on this very add button below to bring it to the editing interface. This is the video. Looking at it, you will see that we have some unwanted part of the video clip which we need to remove. So you have to take the video from the beginning, you drag it like this to where you want the video to start playing, then you click on the video bar at the middle here or any part of the video, then to have it highlighted, head over to split, then click on it to divide the video. Then having the unwanted part highlighted, you come over to delete and remove it. Then you scroll the video again forward to where you want it to stop, then highlight it again, come over to split and split the video. You move it to the second part of the video, because looking at it now, you will understand the fact that after sitting like this, I later turn myself to lie down. That is to use one record to get the two clips together. So using it from this side as an example, so keep scrolling until you get the place. Okay, this is the perfect position where I want the video to start. Then you split again. Okay, then you come over to the middle one and delete it. Looking at it now, we have two clips. So let me reduce the length of this by splitting and deleting. So we have two clips now, the first one and the second one. Then click on the second one by highlighting it. Then come over to this side and swipe to the left hand side until you get to overlay, which is this. Click it for me, it will bring the video down. Then click and hold and take it to the left hand side to the beginning of the first clip. So once it is like this, you cannot see the second clip because the overlay had covered it. Still on this overlay, highlight it, then swipe to this end until you get to mask. Okay, so which is this. Once you click on mask, click on horizontal, which is this particular one. Then once it is like this, use your two thumbs to rotate the line like this. You can see what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is it. Remember, this is a tutorial, so in your own case you can cool down and make the video look more appealing. Okay, I'm only using this one to show you sample. Okay, now one thing you should understand is this: while recording the video, you should not allow the camera to shake or to shift from the position where it is. And while positioning yourself, you should maintain a straight line. Okay, without that, it will be very hard for you to achieve a perfect blending. Do you understand? So once you at this very position like this, okay, let me leave it this way. Let me leave it this way. You click on this check mark here. Okay, so looking at it, you will notice some line. What you need to do is to highlight on it, come over to this very button here, or you click on this adjust, come to fader, which is this, click on it, then from the end here, increase it to either 2 or 3. That should be okay to give it the perfect blending. Then click on this very check mark here. Okay, then I think this is okay. Let's play it a bit. Remember, this is a tutorial. Okay, have you seen it? Have you seen it? So this is the end of the tutorial. One thing you will do for me is to like this video, drop your comment, share to others. Dropping your comment will help this video to go viral for more other persons to see it. Sharing it will help others to gain access to it, learn from it and benefit from it. I know that you can do it. Love you all.